They say some towns are built, and some are forged. This one, it was forged in dust, steel, and destiny. This is the story of Jackson. Halfway between the soulful sounds of blues on Beale Street and the melodic tunes of country on Broadway sits Jackson, Tennessee, home of Rockabilly. In 1851, the city became a hub of railroad systems connecting to major markets north and south, as well as east and west. This was key to its development, attracting trade and many workers on the railroads in the late 19th century with the construction of railroads after the Civil War. Through the 1960s, the city was served by 15 passenger trains daily, but industry restructuring reduced such service and caused the loss of jobs. The economy has adjusted to new businesses, with major manufacturing in the area. Before the roads, before the rails, this land was quiet, untouched, watching. Then came settlers hopeful, restless, naming their new home after a rising war hero, Andrew Jackson. But they had no idea what this place would become. The silence didn't last. Steel tracks tore through the land like lightning, turning Jackson into a crossroads of the South. Trains roared, smoke filled the sky, and the town came alive. Among those rails walked a man who would become legend, Casey Jones. One night, one decision, and his name would echo forever. A hero who never let go of the brakes. Then came the storm. The American Civil War. Didn't knock, it crashed in. Jackson became a prize. Taken, lost, and taken again. Boots marched, cannons thundered, and the town held its breath, waiting to survive. When the smoke cleared, Jackson didn't fall. It rebuilt. Stronger. Louder. Faster. Factories rose, streets filled, and the rhythm of the rails turned into something new. Music. From this small southern city came a sound that would shake the world. Carl Perkins turned rhythm into rebellion, and Jackson into a birthplace of rockabilly fire. Now, the trains still pass, the stories still linger, and if you listen closely, you can still hear it. The whistle in the distance, the echoes of courage, the heartbeat of a town that refused to fade. Jackson wasn't just built. It survived. It fought. It became. And its story is still being written.